So welcome friends, welcome to my technical Mighty, and today I just show you that a major BIOS or boot problem if you face in your PC. Actually the problem is when PC start up, that is stuck on the in a screen that represent American Megatrends, and then the PC have a problem to boot up. So let's see the what is the problem. Okay, let's start up the PC. As you can see there, my computer is starting. This is indicating. And as you can see here, this is American Megatrends problem. So friends, let's find what is the cause of this problem. So actually let's find out. Actually this type of screen comes in if your USB port or any other motherboard jumper or any of the port is not working properly, then the fetching data between your motherboard and the ports if not working properly, then this type of screen comes. So let's find out if motherboard detected all of my devices actually okay. As you can see here, total memory 4096 MB DDR3. Actually I use 4 GB RAM, so it is successfully detected. USB device total, and as you can see here, detected SATA 3G. This is my 500 GB hard disk and 0 drive, okay, and 0 keyboard, 1 mouse, 2 hubs. Actually this 0 keyboard means, actually here 0 drive means, here 0 drive means DVD drive. Actually my computer had not any DVD drive, so any DVD or CD drive, so he's so here 0. But my computer has a keyboard, but here is also denoted 0 keyboard. So actually we successfully found the fault. Actually the keyboard port is not working, so that's why it is indicating 0 keyboard. As you can see here, 0 keyboard. RAM is successfully detected, keyboard is hard disk is successfully detected, and mouse is successfully detected, and 2 other USB have successfully detected. So fault in keyboard. So okay friends, just F1, press F1 to set up. And as you can see here, this is actually my Asus motherboard. Discard, changes, and exit. Okay, as you can see here. So let's replace the keyboard with my gaming keyboard. Okay, actually this is from Red Gear backlit gaming keyboard, which is unboxed in previous days in my channel Technical Mighty. So the link of the description of this keyboard unboxing is in the video description, so please check that. So okay, I replace this keyboard with this my Red Gear keyboard. So okay, let's find out what the problem is gone or not. So okay, just stay tuned. So actually friends, the inserting of the keyboard, this new Red Gear keyboard into my desktop is, I cut some of the parts of the video because the installing of this new keyboard into CPU is time consuming. It's take that 1 or 2 minutes, so I cut those inserting parts. So so I just previously I say that my keyboard is not working, that's why my USB port, this is PS2 port, this PS2 port is not detected in my motherboard. That's why this American Trends BIOS option is coming. So I replace this keyboard, this malfunction keyboard, with my new Red Gear keyboard. As you can see here, this is Red Gear bending, and as you can see here, this is Zebronic bending. So my malfunction Zebronic keyboard replaced, and I insert new Red Gear keyboard. So okay, let's on the computer again and see that the problem is gone or not. So okay, so as you can see here, the computer is started and keyboard is lighting up, and as you can see here, the problem is gone. There is no more American trend scheme. The computer is successfully built up. So friends, don't be hesitate or don't be so serious about this. This is a normal silly matter. You can easily solve this problem. All the ways to you have to find which port is working or not. So when this American megatrend screen is appear, let's find your hard disk is not working, your motherboard is not working, ports is not working. So just find out your RAM is working. So my decision is, if your computer is startup, that means your hard disk cannot crash. Okay, if your hard disk crash, then your computer would not be boot up. You see a blue screen. So when American megatrend screen come, there will be a 98% chance of many USB or PS2 port is not working properly. So in my case, my computer, my previous Zebronic keyboard is PS2 keyboard port, so that port is not working in my computer motherboard, or motherboard is not working, or maybe the keyboard is malfunction, or the keyboard is destroyed. So that's why this is not detected. So okay, so okay, as you can see here, my computer is successfully boot up. So okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends.